a big seal. I mean, you know.
Okay, Gaming with Reacts is live. We have an investor call to react to, quite frankly. It's probably going to be a snooze fest, chat. What are you thinking? What do you think is going to happen, chat?
Your live stream.
Is it going to be a snooze fest? Or is something actually going to happen? We'll find out, quite frankly. We will find out. I think, personally, something might happen. But what is that? I don't know.
I'm saying hello. We said hello. Okay, bye. Hello, so we're gonna make money. That's it. That's all we're saying. We're just gonna make money.
We're gonna break it down, chat. We're gonna tell you what everything means, quite frankly.
Guys, we're gonna make money. That's all we said. Goodbye. Still on yours?
No, because I already said it. Alright, chat. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you are brand new to Gaming with Reacts. It would mean the world to us, quite frankly. Wouldn't it, Mr. Kraken?
Well, I didn't know you were streaming.
Turn that copyright music off, quite frankly. We can't get copyrighted.
Well, I didn't know you were streaming it. So. Why are you streaming perfect?
For the investor call, what do you mean? I literally told you.
Okay, what do you have to stream for that?
Huh. Because we've done every other one. And it would be weird if we don't do this one. Let me get some GTA 6 music. Because we gotta start off with hype. And then disappoint ourselves. Quite frankly.
In yourself?
No. Everyone's in this hopium copium chat. Not just me.
No, it's just you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Something, quite frankly, is gonna happen. I don't know what that is, though.
Nothing's gonna happen. You're wrong. They're not gonna say anything about GTA 6.
They have to, quite frankly. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. It's called a conference call.
Okay. They're not gonna say anything about it. Why would they have to say anything about it?
Because it comes out next year, quite frankly, and it's on. The stockholders will be happy. And they want to have their happy stockholders. Guys, by the way, what is their stock price at? I'm going to get that pulled up for us. And then...
The stock is going down.
Yeah, I wonder why. I want GTA 6.
Not too bad.
Their stock just went down, quite frankly. It's at 252, 26. 26 guys. One off from 27. Guys, it is a long, long road. Guys, hold on the pole. That was a girl, you. She said she cared about me. She tried to make my world the way she thought it should be. We were desperate with it's going home. It's a long, long road. Yeah, love. It's a long, long road. Yeah, so many times I would wake up and you. Yeah, with my head spinning round. Always wait for the moon. Yeah, we were desperate with it. We had each other at home. Give them one more thing. Stop trying to save my soul from the night. To let go. What you guys saying? People are hyped just like me for no reason. Eight people are delusional, chat. With me. People are delusional, confirmed. Each other at home. And give them one more chance. And just say about something. It's a long, long road. Yeah, it's a long, long road. Yeah, you're desperate thing. It's a long, long road. Guys, what has happened to the GTA community? I do think something newsworthy could happen, but I don't know what that is. But at the same time, who gives a shit? Because, like, we're waiting for the trailer. I think something could happen. I'm giving it a 50-50, though, on that one. Them announcing the trailer, that's about it. Oh, turn right on. Alright, chat, one more. To get us ultra hyped. Be so hot together. I need to announce this. That we're live. It would be so hot together. Happen to be at the same party. remember the time you kissed me. Asking me to dance. When you move together. We dance forever. We could be hot together. So hot together. And we can be hot. We can be so hot together. Hot, so hot together. We can be good stuff. Good. Everyone. Microsoft's going down. The Sony ponies, guys. Why is it so cheap for Sony pony? What happened, Sony? Sony, what happened? Why is it so cheap to buy Sony pony? That's what I call them, the Sony ponies. Microsoft is on it now. PlayStation, Sony Tony. We can be so hot. God, but how are you I'd buy Sony Pony? That's super cheap. I can call whatever the fuck I want. I call it stuff. That's freedom of speech. Click that notifications I got. JD Rants. What did he just say? I agree. This dance forever, forever. We should do some 6 months ago today, chat. The trailer released. So good. Could do so hot. So hot. So hot. They're not at 27 posts. They're 7 posts away, quite frankly.
With the annual PJ Party.
Oh, why are they on ads, quite
from
frankly?
6 until 9 a.m. and score deals all over town. Then stick around for the bed parade that happens at 9 o'clock in the morning. Rolling from the Pine Cone to Arts Tavern. Friday night brings the tree lighting at 6:15 outside Town Hall and a holiday market preview party right after. Now the full holiday
Guys,
market
it's still
plays
going
from
down.
Saturday, November 29th. From 10 until 3 with 25 and more local vendors. Plus Santa and Mrs. Claus stop by the M22 wine patio from 11 until 1
It's
p.m.
going down. It's yelling timber, quite frankly. They better move. They better dance.
Precision Plumbing and Heating has expanded its expertise to electrical services. Our highly professional master electricians are here for all your electrical needs. Whether you need a light
Guys, it's
bulb, your
404. We got a
cathedral
404
ceiling
on our
replaced, or a
hands,
generator
chat. We got a
installed,
404
we are
on
the
our hands.
one-stop solution
Quite
for
frankly.
a healthy, comfortable home, offering purified air, reliable water temperatures, ideal temperature rooms, and a perfectly functioning electrical system. But then we go
What are
beyond
the
that.
chats still
Precision also
saying?
cares deeply
It's
about our
90-10.
community.
It's
Each month we
90-10.
give $1,000
People are
to
expecting
a local
GTA 6
nonprofit
news.
Nominated by you.
We got
Visit
some
our
mentally
website,
insane people in the chat.
PrecisionTC.com.
Just like
Click on
me.
Precision Cares
Hopium
button
copium,
to be a
though.
part of
Hopium
nominating
copium.
A nonprofit
Quite
that
frankly.
you see making a positive impact. Don't settle for ordinary. Choose
Hopium
Precision
and
Plumbing and
copium.
Heating for extraordinary service. Let us show you why so many people made the decision.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Breaking news! Breaking news! Breaking news! Breaking news! Breaking news! Breaking news!
Comfort experts.
Gather the money during Harvest of Cash.
Oh my god! It got delayed. It got delayed.
$5,000 cash in
It got delayed.
November 29th to qualify.
It got delayed.
Nice, November 8th through 29th, you can
Yeah,
win
if you go back, like,
$5,000 cash
go
during
back,
our
like,
hourly
4
Harvest of Cash drawings.
Go
3
and
daily
look
and 3
at,
plus
one
play
of
to earn
our
extra
videos.
entries. See Players Club for
I
details.
clearly
The
say
$55,000
it's
Harvest
gonna
of
get delayed
Cash.
again,
Serious
and
cash
it's like,
giveaways.
no.
Serious fun only at Turtle Creek.
No!
Jimmy John's
Dang it!
a pizza and a
Dang it, chat! No!
satisfy all your needs. New toasted pizza sandwiches. Go for the epic cheese bowl
Wait.
with the toasted 3
No!
Or get
Well, there is GTA 6 news. There is.
2 epic
That means they're gonna be talking about it. They're not just not gonna talk about this.
Pizza sandwiches online at Jimmy John's.
We are sorry for the additional. We realize it's a long extra months finishing the game. That means we're probably gonna get another trailer though. This is what that means. We're probably getting another trailer.
They have openings in fitness, child.
We'd like to thank you for the support.
With flexible hours, a fun environment, and the chance to make a real impact in your community. Offering $200 sign-on bonuses for part-time, $300 for full-time.
What's the stock doing? Is it gonna crash? It's probably gonna crash. We got breaking news. We got breaking news. The game got delayed again.
93 plays the 90s tonight.
21 posts. There it is.
I was right. I was right.
No, what the fuck? I'm in pain. Everyone's in pain.
What?
It hurts, but I
Back
understand.
to what that guy said. Go back up. Go scroll up a bit.
The what?
Scroll up all the way.
This is all the way.
What we just found.
GTA 6 is gonna be trending over here pretty soon.
Sounds like you ruined the like 1.5. No, the game wasn't coming out. 1.5.
Really? It got delayed! No! Dang it.
Wow.
Fuck!
Well, looks like I know what's gonna happen. I'm saying. Guys, I'm psychic.
Seriously, the Rockstar game.
Guys, I'm psychic. You heard it here first, guys. I'm psychic. Like 4 months ago, or 3 months ago, or something, I said, watch it get delayed again.
What is the 13th, the night? Dude, that's a year away!
I literally said 4 months ago, I was like, watch it get delayed again. Wow. Oh my god.
That means we're getting another trailer though.
Wait. Good news for this. Good news. That means I can predict the future. It's really, what do you want to do? Yeah, these all go up better.
That's so far away!
Am I the only one that said it was going to get delayed again?
Fuck!
Who else said it was going to get delayed again?
Well, we're gonna retweet that one.
Wait, how many days?
We're gonna retweet that because that doesn't have it.
What? How many days after they delayed it did you get the trailer?
I don't.
They say it a little bit, and then they got to miss it.
I think so.
What's 3 days from now?
What's 3 days? 1, 2, 3. 1.
1 through 3 is Sunday.
Sunday.
What? The trailer. It's November 25th, guys.
We saw that one coming.
What? Who saw that one go? Who saw Sister. Can I get a replay on what we said? But it's like, no, it's not going to delete.
But the stock price is gonna crash if they don't give another trailer.
Famous last words.
They're at 21.
The latest from Taylor Swift
famous
of 93, playing the 90s.
This is a
To
video.
now, we're going to go 93 minutes commercial free,
and
kicking
it
off
got
at
delayed.
4:20 right
Announce an official date for the game, you moron. If it's not ready, they are going to delay it. And I'll go further with this. What did I say to you 2 months ago? I said they will know in November if this game is not coming out in May. I told you this. I told you all I told you all 2 months ago. Go back and watch the live streams. I was telling you all, if this game is not right in November, they'll internally delay it. And I did say, I got it wrong because I did say they
Officially delayed. Well, that's what he's mentally talking about. What did Elon Musk just say, quite frankly? Oh. What are they going to say at the conference call? This is going to get unpinned, quite frankly. For the trailer 3. Nah, bro. We will be there day 1? Yes, I will be there day 1. I need to move my live stream again. Rockstar! Rockstar!
Oh.
Hold on. I'm moving a live stream. So when is it coming out again?
Yeah, now you can go see what I said.
19th? Okay.
Now you can go see what I said.
So like
Hey Rudy, that gives us more time to get enough money to buy the game.
so the 19th it comes out, and then online I'm gonna assume
Wow.
the 26th.
Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means, Rudy?
What?
That.
I should actually schedule this for the 27th for the memes.
Do you know what that means, Rudy?
What?
November 27th. That's.
I don't even know when the online is coming
Do
out.
you know what that means, Rudy? Quite frankly, you should see what I said.
I already did.
What, do you agree with what I said? I did call it. You remember me calling that.
So, how long is this? A year and something? 385 days.
2026. That means that computer won't come out until 2027, almost 2028.
Guys, this game
Guys,
just
we
needs to
won't be
come
playing
out.
GTA 6 online until 2028.
That yeah, for PC, yeah.
Well, Xbox is dead, and PlayStation is gonna probably die soon. Even though I don't see why people are mad at Xbox for basically being better than PlayStation.
Brah. I like that response. Just brah.
Definitely didn't call that months ago. Think people will be mad at me for saying that?
Probably.
Why?
You're the reason that GTA 6 got delayed. Definitely.
Actually, I think people. You want to know. You want to know. You want to know why GTA 6 got delayed more? Here, this might be a conspiracy theory, but I think people overhyping the game is making them be like, oh, we can add this to the game, and now they're gonna be like, oh, we can add this to the game as well, and so they keep adding more things to the game, and that's why it keeps getting pushed back. Oh, now the 5 to 6 thing is out the window, isn't it? Yeah, now there's going to be a lot of games coming out in November.
That are gonna get pushed back? Yeah.
No, there's going to be a lot of games coming out in March and May now. Because they're going to pull them back up to where they were.
Rip.
Rip GTA 6 winning Game of the Year for 2026.
They can still win it, technically. But also...
Yeah, if everyone votes for it as soon as it comes out.
Man, they should have kept it the 26th somehow.
I think they have to wait. I think they have to wait a little bit because it just came out. No, I don't think they can win it.
Trailer 3 is trending. It's definitely going to happen.
I don't know how it works, but I don't think... Really, Rudy?
So the 11 people in the chat
Thank you.
were right.
Thank you, people that just viewed the stream, so it wasn't at 67 views.
Oh, dang. It's at 69, though. Funny number.
Definitely didn't call that, guys.
I can't believe it. But sort of at the same time. Everyone's going to be talking about this tomorrow. And they're going to be talking about it in the investor call in a little bit. Rockstar Games delayed the game again. Quite frankly.
Because Take-Two Interactive is stupid. Guys, Rockstar's releasing the game right now because we told them to. Oh, the game's not done. Oh, we have to push it back again. Oh.
Yeah, they're going to have to update their trailer again, quite frankly.
update their trailer again.
And they're gonna have to update the website, which they probably already did. Let me see.
Guys, we would like to release things closer to the game coming out.
Coming, man. That's funny.
Hey guys,
They're gonna have to release a third trailer now.
now trailer 1 was 3 years before the game came out, and trailer 2 was 2 years before the game came out.
They're gonna have to release another trailer. They're gonna have to do it. Quite frankly, have to do it. These trailers don't even make any sense anymore.
Trailer 3 is going to be a year before the game comes.
Yes, trailer 3 will be a year before the game comes out.
Watch, they delay it again.
I actually doubt it now, because this date actually makes more sense.
6 months later. We've delayed the game. No, then people are gonna be mad at me.
Yeah, don't say another delay is happening, because it's just not.
Well, I already said it on this live stream. So now if it does happen, I called it.
And they're gonna give us trailer 3. I know they are, because their trailers don't make sense anymore. When do you think trailer 3 is coming out, guys?
Well,
The 11th?
Hey Rudy, they can't give it to us today. You know why? Because they have to remake it. Because it probably said May 2026.
Maybe.
What do you mean? They just did that. They probably were done with the trailer, and we're gonna release it today. And then they're like, nah. Oh great! What is Take-Two gonna say now? Quarterly earnings call for what? For what? What quarter? What quarter is it?
My life has lost all meaning. That's
That's
funny.
a little dramatic there. It's a little dramatic there.
Yeah, that's an insane time jump right there. It's been 13 years. Yes, it has.
Everyone says they knew it, but I don't think they knew it. Everyone just says they knew it. When it gets delayed, they're like, guys, I definitely didn't say it was not getting delayed again. It definitely was getting delayed again.
That's funny. Oh, that's funny. 380 days. Yeah. What's another year? Exactly. At this point, just give me the game now.
1 more year from now. Guys, we delayed the game another year.
Just keep it at this point.
Yeah, well that's what happens when they delay a game like 7 times. Nah, they need to delay the game 6 times before GTA 6 comes out.
That's not gonna happen.
Delay it by 1 day 3 more times.
The 19th.
Do it. Delay it by 3 more days.
Chat, why can't I say the 19th of this year? Surprise, it's coming out this year on the 20th. I would be like, wait, what?
Even more surprise would be... Surprise, it's already out. Go buy it. Is the chicken done?
I'm getting there, yeah.
What time is it?
Yeah. We were almost late, quite frankly, since we've been yapping so much, quite frankly.
We were almost late to the... We were almost late to the...
I'm gonna have to hide my screen. Hold on. Boo.
Okay, quarter 2.
Guest
fiscal year
registration.
2026. What is quarter two? So how much money do you think they're gonna say that they're gonna make? We're gonna make $0.
They're gonna say less money.
What if they say the same amount?
I'd be surprised.
What game would be coming out that would be really big?
Gaming.
You have to make a company name?
Register.
Didn't you already have an account? So you already had an account?
Yes. I don't mind. How do I turn this up? This sounds very quiet. Okay. Well, now we wait for bad news. We don't need the stock price anyway.
Wait, why is this the tutorial music? Am I right?
Guys, I don't know what you're talking about. We just got GTA 6 news. You have to vote yes for GTA 6 news. We just got it.
Bree, it was your fault. You said something was going to happen. But, you know, I said it was going to get
1.8 million views already. What is Mr. Beast going to say about this? Just give me the damn game. I'll give you $1 billion for it.
Keep it at this Yeah, at this point, the GTA movie is going to be GTA: The Search for GTA 6.
Oh my god, I forgot the movie is guys, if you didn't know, there's a GTA movie.
Is that why they delayed it? So that the GTA movie could get done?
Maybe. I doubt it though.
But you know how long it takes to make a movie? If they just announced that, then they're definitely going to delay the game again because it takes like almost a year to make a full movie. There's no way they've been working on it for over a year when they probably should have delayed it for another year, like a year ago, if they were working on a movie a year.
Guys, by the way, like and subscribe with notifications if you're brand new on here. It means the world to us.
I'm trying to think of what this music is. It's like...
You can keep talking, by the way, while I go check on things.
It's definitely... It's like the tutorial music when you have a YouTube tutorial for like an iPhone or something. Music is over. I knew the game was getting delayed. I'm a genius. Hello, we're here to talk about the delay of the game GTA 6. What, did it start? Did the music stop? Hello? What is going on? I think the music just cut out. Oh. Go home. I think the music just stopped. I think something's going on here. I think they're too embarrassed to start talking.
Wait, they late? What time is it?
What? What do you mean? It's 4:31. And
They
the music
late?
just stopped talking. The music just stopped. They're not talking, which means they're too embarrassed to talk. Guys, they're trying to think of an apology stream. They're gonna bring out a ukulele, guys.
They late apparently, chat. They late.
We're sorry that we delayed the game.
Wait, they actually late? No. They actually late?
Yeah, they're getting a ukulele. What do you mean? They don't have one, so they're buying one.
Hold on. Wait, what?
Yeah, they don't have a ukulele, so they're buying one. Right now, they're going to buy it.
They actually late? I'm confused.
They're going to buy it right now, because... Go to that guy's stream, and then you'll see it.
Dude, I just lost. Oh my god. I'm starving. Can I go get food?
Is the chicken done?
Really close.
It's not done yet? Oh. This is a lot of potatoes.
Net bookings of one.
Okay, they are talking. Oh no. What did I do wrong?
Something about net bookings.
Guys, uh-oh. Do I have to listen to his, quite frankly?
Yeah, I think we have to listen to him talking. As well as
$0.96 billion,
Alright, we're doing
which
that.
vastly exceeded our expectations and represent the best second quarter of net bookings in our company's history. We had many achievements during the period. 2K launched 3 major titles, including NBA 2K26, which set multiple records and has been delivering an unprecedented level of in-game spending. Our mobile business outperformed substantially, driven by our team's unparalleled innovation in live services. And Grand Theft Auto Online continued to benefit from its highly engaged community.
Guys, they wanted to have more.
Due to these outstanding second quarter results and our optimism for the balance of the fiscal year, we're again raising our net bookings outlook for fiscal 2026 to $6.4 to $6.5 billion.
What?
Rockstar Games has announced that Grand Theft Auto 6 will now be released on November 19th, 2026, giving the team some additional time to finish the game with a high level of polish players expect and deserve.
What? That
Rockstar
doesn't
has
even
our
make
full
sense.
support, of course, and we're confident they'll deliver an unrivaled blockbuster entertainment experience.
Kiss my ass. How about that? Kiss my fucking
Turning to
ass.
highlights from the period, our mobile business delivered another quarter of excellent results. Peak's forever franchise, Toon Blast, grew 26%
How are they going to make more money? That
year-over-year,
doesn't actually make
and
sense.
approximately 90% over the past 2 years, driven by new gameplay elements and metagame features such as card collection.
Sells a lot of money.
Match Factory, another hit title from Peak, achieved record net bookings and grew 20% over last year. Players responded positively to innovative new features, including a Super Ball power-up, which increased engagement and monetization within the game.
Why is this not working? Why can't I
Rollick's
just
hit
listen
title
to it
Color Block
myself?
Jam continues to engage and grow its audience with new features and levels, and remains the highest grossing title in the studio's history.
They delayed the game.
In addition, Rollick surpassed 3.8 billion lifetime downloads and achieved a new net bookings record for the quarter. The CSR franchise achieved $1 billion in lifetime in-game spending, with more than 180 million players worldwide since its launch in 2012, which we believe indicates great momentum ahead of the release of CSR 3. Zynga Poker launched on Steam with full cross-functionality, enabling players to enjoy
That
the
doesn't
game
make sense.
freely
How are they
across
gonna make
mobile,
more money?
web browsers, and PC.
That actually makes no sense.
2K's mobile offerings had another strong quarter, with WWE Supercard surpassing 38 million lifetime downloads. NBA 2K Mobile continued to grow its audience. NBA 2K26 Arcade Edition holding its top 5 position on the Apple Arcade charts.
Launching.
And NBA 2K All-Star in China, capturing 8 million registered users after just 6 months in market. We continue to focus on our mobile direct-to-consumer business and are achieving higher conversion driven by new offers, events, and enhanced personalization.
Why can't I just listen
also,
to it?
as a result of recent legislative changes, our teams have rolled out new technologies that enable direct transactions and new payment mechanisms, including solutions designed to support international growth, which should help us expand meaningfully net bookings and margins via this highly accretive channel. With the record-breaking launch of NBA 2K26, 2K and Visual Concepts proved once again their ability to create phenomenal gameplay, innovate with new features, and optimize live service offerings. To date, the title has sold in over 5 million units, representing a double-digit increase over NBA 2K25, and with average selling prices reaching an all-time high, led by higher sales on premium editions. We were pleased to see daily active users and my career daily active users grow nearly 30% and nearly 40% respectively, which contributed to recurrent consumer spending growth of 45%. Players love many of the game's new features, including a thriving hub of competition,
I don't know why I can't listen
a more
to it
accessible
by myself.
layout, all new rewards,
That's
and fresh cosmetics. I'd like to congratulate 2K and Visual Concepts for once again delivering a superb basketball experience led by innovation and an unwavering commitment to excellence. 2K and Gearbox Software launched Borderlands 4, the latest offering in our beloved looter-shooter franchise.
Yeah, can you
The game
deliver this
received
one
high
though?
critical praise, with many reviewers calling it the best Borderlands yet. The series' highly active community eagerly welcomed the title,
Please give us this
and during
one
its
now.
opening weekend, it reached the largest concurrent player count on Steam in franchise history.
Really?
Borderlands 4 also dominated YouTube with 300 million views and earned the #1 spot on Twitch during its launch, underscoring the franchise's
Probably should
enduring
not brag
mass
about that
appeal.
one.
While we experienced some challenges with optimization of performance on PC, Gearbox has been addressing these issues and releasing updates to improve gameplay. We're confident that Borderlands 4 will achieve strong unit sales over its lifetime. We're immensely proud of Gearbox and look forward to robust post-launch content offerings that will support the game in the months ahead.
Is anyone else dead inside? I genuinely can't.
2K
I
and
can't
Hangar
listen to
13
this
released
shit.
Mafia: The Old Country, the first new entry in our popular organized
I
crime
can.
franchise in nearly a decade, which earned vast praise from critics and consumers alike. The title quickly surpassed our internal expectations and affirmed our belief that consumer
Stop
demand
laughing, I'm
remains
trying to
strong
listen.
for premium, narrative-driven
I need to know.
experiences that
Oh,
over-index on value. The team at Hangar 13 will continue to push the boundaries for cinematic experiences in this series and in future creative pursuits.
He doesn't even play video games.
Grand Theft Auto 5 continues to grow its audience, and to date, the title has sold in more than 220 million units worldwide. Players remain deeply engaged with Grand Theft Auto Online, which added holiday-themed jobs and rewards, as well as new vehicles, community events, and outfits. GTA Plus continued to increase its membership, achieving over 20% growth year over year. We're pleased with consumers' ongoing passion and engagement with the franchise, which we believe will help usher in a record-breaking launch for Grand Theft Auto 6. In closing, we're very pleased with our position as one of the largest, most diversified companies within the interactive entertainment industry. a sector that we believe will enjoy robust growth. As we embrace our core values and focus on delivering the most captivating and engaging entertainment experiences, we expect to achieve record levels of net bookings in fiscal 2027,
I really wonder
establish
why.
a new baseline for our business, and enhance our profitability. I'll now turn the call over to Carl.
Carl!
I'd like to thank our teams for delivering another terrific quarter, which reflects our unique ability to consistently deliver the highest quality entertainment experiences.
For somehow making more
Our teams
money
plan
than
to sustain this momentum over the balance of the year by releasing an array of new content and product offerings. Following the successful launches of Mafia: The Old Country, NBA 2K26, and Borderlands 4, 2K plans to release new content and updates for each game that will provide our fans with even greater opportunities to engage with these franchises.
Bro, none of these people play video
Zynga will
games.
continue to enhance its portfolio with the introduction of new features and innovation in live services, while also pursuing new titles. During the fourth quarter of our fiscal year, 2K and Visual Concepts will launch WWE 2K26, the next installment in our popular wrestling franchise. Since taking over the series, Visual Concepts has immersed players in the most intense and realistic action that the squared circle can hold. And WWE 2K26 will continue this legacy. 2K will have more to share about the game shortly. Looking ahead, we believe strongly in our long-term pipeline, which includes the release of Grand Theft Auto 6 on November 19th, 2026, as well as the future launches of Judas, Project Ethos, CSR 3, Top Gold, the next BioShock, and many other exciting new titles from across our labels.
He said it!
In closing, we are thrilled with our performance for the first half of fiscal 2026. As we continue to execute our proven strategy and capitalize on emerging opportunities, we expect to achieve a period of meaningful long-term growth and shareholder returns. I'll now turn the call over to Lady.
Lady, come on!
Thanks, Carl. Good afternoon, everyone. Our second quarter results were truly fantastic. We are excited to raise our annual net bookings outlook for the second consecutive quarter.
How though? That
Performance
doesn't make
is driven by
sense.
many of our key titles, which underscores the strength of our core franchises and the power of our diverse portfolio of owned intellectual property.
GTA 6 is not the
I'd like to thank our teams for their outstanding execution and unwavering focus on creativity, innovation, and efficiency. Turning to our results, we delivered second quarter net bookings of $1.96 billion, which was significantly above our guidance range of $1.7 to $1.75 billion. This reflected better than expected performance from NBA 2K, Mafia: The Old Country, and several mobile titles, including Toon Blast, Color Block Jam, Match Factory, and Empires & Puzzles, which more than offset softness in the initial launch of Borderlands 4.
So what's their PCs coming next decade?
And accounted for 73% of net bookings.
Next decade PC.
NBA 2K
That's actually
grew
kind of true,
45%. Mobile increased mid-teens, and Grand Theft Auto Online declined as expected. During the quarter, we launched Mafia: The Old Country, NBA 2K26, and Borderlands 4. GAAP net revenue increased 31% to $1.77
PC would
billion.
come 2028.
Cost of revenue increased 27% to $793 million. And operating expenses increased 5% to $1.1 billion.
PC gets
On a
delayed
management
4
basis,
times,
operating expenses
and
rose
then comes out
13% year over year,
2029,
which represented significant
online,
operating expense leverage on our strong
delayed-
top-line growth.
First
Operating expense dollars were above our
First
forecast
GTA 6
due to
comes out in
incremental
November.
user acquisition
Then online
investments
gets
to
delayed by
support
a year.
robust performance
And then
in our mobile
online gets delayed by
portfolio
another
and
year.
higher
And
performance-based
then PC
compensation,
gets
which was partly
delayed
offset by a
until
shift in some
2028.
console marketing and IT
and then
expenses
PC comes
into
out,
the second
and then
half of the
online
year.
comes out in 2029.
Turning to our guidance, I'll begin with our full fiscal year expectations.
Yes,
Our
please.
momentum is strong, and we are raising our net bookings outlook range to $6.4 to $6.5 billion,
Wow.
which represents 14% growth
Good.
over fiscal 2025
It
at the midpoint.
didn't raise.
The increase
too
reflects
more than
our
that.
second quarter outperformance and higher expectations for many of
I
our
was
core
gonna say,
franchises for the second
There's
half
no
of
way
the year.
It would raise to 6.7.
The largest contributors to net bookings are expected to be NBA 2K, the Grand Theft Auto series, Toon Blast,
Oh my
Match
God.
Factory,
Look at the
Borderlands 4,
URL.
Color Block Jam, Empires &
Look at the
Puzzles,
end of the
the Red Dead
Oh.
Redemption series, and Words with Friends.
D. Watson, I completely agree
We
with
now
you.
expect recurrent consumer spending to grow approximately 11%,
Go back to that.
representing 77% of net bookings.
1986.
This growth percentage is more than double our prior forecast of 4%, driven by NBA 2K and higher expectations for several mobile titles.
54. Is there
Our revised
anything in
recurrent consumer
No.
spending forecast
Are you
assumes
sure?
that NBA 2K now grows
Also,
in
it's
the
just
mid
random.
20% range.
Sure.
Mobile now
Wait.
increases
Sure it
approximately
is.
10%,
Didn't have a
and Grand Theft Auto
custom
Online
go.
declines, which is unchanged from our prior forecast. We project the net bookings breakdown from our labels to be roughly 46% Zynga, 39% 2K, and 15% Rockstar Games. We are raising our operating cash flow forecast to approximately $250 million, reflecting the strength in our business. We now expect to deploy approximately $180 million in capital expenditures, which is above our prior guidance due to the acquisition of an office building to support our global footprint. We're also increasing our forecast for GAAP net revenue, which is now expected to range from $6.38 to $6.48 billion, and cost of revenue, which is now expected to range from $2.66 to $2.69 billion.
6'9", huh?
Our total operating expenses are expected to range from $3.98 to $4 billion, compared to $7.45 billion last year. On a management basis, we now expect operating expense growth of approximately 9% year over year, which represents notable operating expense leverage on our higher net bookings outlook. Our forecast for operating expense dollars is increasing due to incremental marketing to support our mobile portfolio and higher performance-based compensation.
Hi, everyone. I like how I started out with hi, everyone.
Fiscal third quarter. We project net bookings to range from $1.55 to $1.6 billion.
Did they start out with that last time? I don't even remember.
In the prior year. The largest contributors to net bookings are expected to be NBA 2K, the Grand Theft Auto series, Sub Pless, Match Factory, the Red Dead Redemption series, Color Block Jam, Empires and Puzzles, Borderlands 4, and Words with Friends. We project recurrent consumer spending to increase by approximately 8%, which assumes low double-digit growth in mobile, a mid-single-digit increase for NBA 2K,
I mean, I can just look on here.
Grand Theft Auto Online.
A decline for
We
GTA
expect
Online.
GAAP net revenue to range from $1.57 to $1.62
Why did they stop
billion.
trailer 1 on here?
Operating expenses
Weird.
are planned to range from $980 to $990 million. On a management basis, operating expenses are expected to grow by approximately 12% year over year, which is primarily driven by incremental user acquisition investments to support our robust performance in our mobile portfolio and higher performance-based compensation.
Come on, why is
In
it not
closing,
loading?
we are thrilled with the strength in our business today. We are extremely optimistic about the future ahead. As we execute on our strategic priorities, which include expanding our core franchises to even greater levels of commercial success, releasing groundbreaking new hits, driving efficiencies, and capitalizing on new business opportunities,
What did they
we
say?
believe
What
that
did
we
they
will
say from the
meaningfully
original
grow
delay?
our scale and
Why is
our
it not loading?
profitability.
They don't
I'd
want
like
me
to
to
thank
find
you all
out.
for your support and look forward to sharing more details on our exciting pipeline in the coming months.
Of course you do.
Thank you. I'll now turn the call back to Strauss.
Strauss, welcome back.
Thanks, Lainey and Carl. On behalf of our entire management team, I'd like to thank our colleagues for continuing to deliver outstanding results for Take-Two. To our shareholders, I want to express
Especially
our
Rockstar.
appreciation for your continued support. We'll now take your questions.
Yes, you will.
Orange squashy, completely great.
At this time, I would like to remind everyone, in order to ask a question, press star, then the number 1 on your telephone keypad. We'll pause for just a moment to compile a roster.
Because quite frankly, Rockstar Games
Your
fired
first
40
question
employees.
comes from Colin Sebastian with
Maybe they
Baird.
shouldn't have done that.
Great. Thanks. Good afternoon. Thanks for taking my questions. I guess, I mean, on the RCS performance, I mean, that's really strong. And I'm curious if there are any common denominators across NBA Mobile, other titles where you're seeing that strength. Anything specific you learned from that maybe you can apply to other franchises going forward? And then considering the change in release date for GTA, just curious if that changed the cadence of content updates or marketing support for the existing franchise for GTA Online over the next year.
They didn't even say hello.
We got a GTA question, so you might as well listen to it.
In the meantime, thank you.
So on the second question first, I don't think you'll see any change, and Rockstar has a history of supporting GTA Online Of course, the title continues to perform incredibly well. I also know that GTA Plus was up 20%
I like what
year-over-year in the
said.
quarter, which is
That's
just
funny.
great news. So, and Grand Theft Auto 5 has
Put
now
me in the
sold
game,
2 million
coach. Yeah, at this
units. It's a
point,
pretty
let me
great
work
story.
on the game.
We expect that story to continue in a similar way. In terms of your first question, I think, are you asking whether we think there are sort of industry tailwinds that are
Cyberpunk.
driving
Okay,
growth and
Cyberpunk, you have
spending
no
across
room
the
to
board?
talk, bro. You have no room to talk.
This was what they were
Well,
going to do.
actually, it could be that, or more specific to the way that you're developing games. Is there something within RCS, within the mechanics that you're seeing is resonating with gamers in particular, or maybe they're just specific to those titles?
Man, this is
So my sense is
bullshit.
that despite what some industry observers are saying, that there are modest tailwinds in the business. I think we're seeing those. And equally, look, our approach here is to seek perfection in everything we do and to try to engage and captivate our consumers. And when we do that effectively, monetization follows. And so I don't, none of us is in the business of taking victory laps, even though we're very proud of the quarter. But I think the answer to your question is that our creative teams are delivering, and they're delivering at the highest possible level. And so when I see commentary in the industry that's negative about what's going on,
That's a good one. That's a good one. I like that one.
Quality with performance, you're going to find it's an exceedingly positive correlation.
Fucking weirdo.
And actually, I think you can find causation in there as well. Gives people something great, they're going to come out with.
40 best employees.
All right, thanks, Ross.
In the game.
Thank you, Strauss.
Your next question.
Your next
comes from
question.
Doug Crutz with TD Cowen.
Thanks. It appears that you're soon going to be the last publicly traded standalone publisher of scale standing. I wonder your view on how that affects, your ability to attract talent, your ability to
what is he even talking about?
Place games in the market. Just sort of, is there anything about that strategically that affects your competitive position? Thank you.
Calling in on a potato?
I think the answer is I'm not sure. We're always running scared around here. I'm fond of saying arrogance is the enemy of continued success. And I do think we're in a terrific position.
Guys, well, this is a very old trailer at this point.
Economically, and that's because we're performing better than expected creatively. And that's always our story around here. And if we can maintain that, then we have a wonderful future ahead of us. It is true that at year end, we're really very under leveraged. It is true that in relatively short order, we expect to be a net cash company again. And it's true that we're independent and we have a publicly traded security. And I think all of those things can be advantages in the right hands. But none of that will lead us to claim success before we deliver it. And whenever we have good results, our approach around here is to take no victory lap.
Will it be family friendly, Nick A30? So no, it won't.
We do think we're well positioned.
I'm sorry, Nick A30. You cannot play this game.
I bet you do, you fucking mug.
Your next question comes from Chris Scholl with UBS.
I have no idea.
Great, thank you very much. We saw one of your peers see outperformance on mobile margins due to the recent iOS changes. Can you just walk us through how widely available alternate payment mechanisms are?
Did they say that last time?
To gross margins in the quarter or your expectations for the year? And maybe just along these lines, any thoughts on the recently proposed changes to Google Play and what it means for your business? Thank you.
Look, I've been saying for years that I expected the cost of...
At this point, they should say, are we going to get GTA 7 before?
As soon as we closed the Zynga transaction, we launched a direct-to-consumer initiative that has been successful. We value our partnerships with retailers. We don't have any reason to believe that those will ever become extinct. At the same time, distribution costs naturally will decline with competition, and in certain instances with litigation and legislation. And you're seeing that now. So our direct-to-consumer
I'm tired, boss. I'm very tired.
Well. It has been rolled out almost across our entire mobile portfolio, not the entire portfolio, because it doesn't necessarily fit everywhere. And the most
iPhone
recent,
18 before GTA 6
litigation result definitely puts us in a stronger position. And not only will net bookings rise more rapidly than expected, but margins too.
How though? So explain. I really want to know.
We're not specifically calling out how that margin change.
Yes, I want to know now.
Except obviously we've increased our guidance for the year.
Yeah, but how? I want to know. How are you doing it?
Thank you. If I can just fit in one more, maybe just on the new GTA timeline, anything you can share as to what the drivers were and what gives you confidence that the state will stick. Thank you.
300
yeah, the drivers are desired to deliver as perfect an entertainment experience as we possibly can, and to try to live up to consumers' extraordinary expectations and then exceed those expectations.
Online.
It's always painful when we move a date. We have done so occasionally in the past, and we've never regretted it in retrospect. I would like to point out that we have some competitors that, you know, in the event where more polish was required and it required slipping a date, they chose not to slip the date. And
I mean, honestly, at this point, I'm gonna get married before GTA 6 comes out.
Fuck off!
Okay. Thanks, Strauss.
What competitors?
Our next question comes from Andrew Merritt with Raymond James.
Fuck off with that shit.
Hi, thanks for taking my questions. Maybe one on NBA and one on Borderlands. As
What?
it relates to NBA, we saw some of the metrics that you disclosed today were not well above. They were well above kind of a mature sports franchise. So I guess where are you getting these incremental audiences from? Are there new cohorts of players that you're expanding into? And I guess what inning would you say that you're in terms of accessing the total NBA audience? And then I'll follow up with the Borderlands question.
So in terms of the cohorts that we're seeing, obviously returning players are a huge cohort for us. And I would say every year we're getting a little better at bringing people back into the games.
Yeah, to anyone that's asking, I'll just mute the audio. To anyone that's asking, that was a fucking Cyberpunk little diss. He's just tried to diss Cyberpunk and tried to take the shade off him and Rockstar Games and take the piss Interactive. They haven't got any competitors. And it's not a Mind's Eye dig, it's a Cyberpunk dig. Fucking knobhead.
GTA 7 is
trending. In terms of other players, we're having some success internationally as well, but also getting more engagement of the player base that we have. That's been a significant part of our ability to drive recurring consumer spending in NBA.
Well, at least GTA 7 at this one.
Had significant improvements year over year. We're doing more interesting things like bringing people in earlier for early access with pre-order premiums. And just making the game tighter and listening to our audience base. And like we always say,
what is the stock?
Higher the engagement, the more engagement, the monetization follows. It's not the other way around. And that's been our mantra pretty much from day one. So I'd love to say we're in the first inning. That's probably not true. But we're certainly not even to the seventh inning stretch at this point. So it's probably somewhere in between.
It's going down by less.
Oh, it crashed. Never mind.
Got it. Thank you. Really appreciate that. And then on Borderlands, in these kind of longer-lived titles,
and then it flattened.
How important is the launch period? And I guess, you know, to the extent that the PC issue caused a little bit of a drag, how does player behavior change in one of those titles versus maybe an annual release, where maybe you don't have as much time to sort of make up anything that fell short of expectations?
That's not true.
Thank you.
That's just not true.
Well, we see it. I mean, your question implies that we see this the same way. The release was a bit softer than we would have liked for the reasons that you said. Gearbox has been addressing the PC challenges, and I think in retrospect, we feel that there are things that we could have done better. But we intend to do better in the future. In the fullness of time, we think the unit sales on this title will be very solid, and the.
When do you think the trailer is coming out, Chad? It's definitely coming out soon. The 11th, probably, or the 14th, the 13th, or the 11th.
Your next question comes from Matthew Cost with Morgan Stanley.
It's coming out very soon.
Hi everybody, thanks for taking the
because
question.
they need to update their.
A little bit about mobile and obviously it's been a stretch here of really strong outperformance for that business versus.
They need to update this, quite frankly.
So two-parter. One, what is your level of confidence in their ability to sustain that continued outperformance through the market?
They need to update all of this.
You see that as a function of new game launches.
Because it makes no more sense.
And then connected to that, is there an opportunity to do M&A in the mobile gaming space? Something that as an independent company can
guys, you need to update this. I don't know what you're talking about.
Build on the momentum Zynga has today. Thank you.
Project yourself, brother. Speak louder.
Yeah, I mean, what do I attribute their outperformance to? great leadership, great execution. So Frank Jabot, is the CEO of Zynga. He's doing a terrific job leading the team and our creative teams. Pete, Rollick, all of our studios, frankly, right now are doing a wonderful job both running live services on existing titles and launching new titles. So we just have to keep doing more of that. What gives me confidence that we can? I think our approach has been narrowed and honed down at the label where we're being...
Team, I can't listen to this shit anymore. I truly can't. I've got more respect for myself. I have more respect for myself than to listen to a bunch of millionaire pricks talk about video games that I don't care about, talk about mobile video games I couldn't give a fat shit about 10 minutes after they've just delayed Grand Theft Auto 6. I just can't do it. I can't. Sorry, man. I literally can't do it. I can't listen to it anymore. I asked people when they delayed it. I asked people, do you want to listen to the earnings call? And the majority of people all said yeah. So we've listened to that for half an hour, and I can't do it, brother. I've got more respect for myself. I can't sit here and just listen to it anymore. Absolute bullshit. So if you want to go and listen to it, you're more than welcome to. You go to Take the Piss Interactive's website, you go and get amongst it. All they're going to ask you to do is to sign in. You sign in, you create an account, and boom, you're on there, brother. All the highlights of the earnings call are probably going to be all over internet anyway, so if we missed anything, the earnings call's only going to run for another 15 minutes, and the majority of the time they're just lying down with some questions about mobile and shit anyway. So I'd be surprised if they mention anything else of significance, so that's pretty much it. Fuck's sake. Right, team.
6 months ago
let's go 10 minutes, shall we? Let's roll 10 minutes. I want to come to the Friend Brothers and I want to see what everyone's saying, because I've seen for the last half an hour we've all been listening to this earnings call, and I've been seeing a lot of people saying, right, this means that trailer 3 is imminent. That means trailer 3 could come tomorrow. Trailer 3 could come, I don't think it's going to come over the weekend. I think it's either going to come tomorrow or it could come next week. So let me come to the Friend Brothers. Let's see what you lot are saying. When do you think that we're going to get trailer 3 imminently? Will that make up for you with them delaying the game 5 months? Again, I'll come to the Friend Brothers in 2 seconds, but let me just get something from my mental. I am going to live stream tomorrow. I wasn't going to live stream tomorrow because I didn't think we were going to get anything of significance, but this is the biggest news. This is the biggest news of the year. This is bigger than me. I don't care what you say. This second delay now is bigger than the first delay. The first delay was bad. This is honking. This is awful. So I'm going to just get something off my chest right now, and then I'm going to come to the Friend Brothers. We're going to finish 10 minutes. We're going to finish strong. And then I'll be back tomorrow, and we're probably going to kick it for a good 3 hours or so, talking to you lot and shopping it up and seeing what everyone's thinking about it once we've had time to sit on it and rest it. And who knows, when we're live streaming tomorrow, maybe they are going to drop trailer 3 out of nowhere, and we can all watch trailer 3 together, and we can all kiss a little ass. I'm not too sure. But let me just say this. If anyone's in this chat right now, if anyone's in 104.5 right now, first of all, I can't say thank you. If I can see it, we've got some big numbers going on. If you want to see me rant and lose my shit and blow a gasket and crash out, we've already done that, so go and rewind. Basically, I say rewind. Is this now the best part of it?
They didn't care about what they were saying, and he left it because he couldn't listen to it anymore. Because he's super mad.
Well, they were probably almost done anyways. Well, guys, GTA 6 got delayed, and that's the news, and we'll definitely see a trailer very soon. Alright.
Yeah, and you also said that it won't get delayed again in a bit, so who knows?
The 11th or the 13th. Those are my guesses.
The 25th.
It's not going to be the 25th. That's way too long from now. They want to update their website. For trailer 4 is definitely not coming until May, probably.
Yeah, but you also said that it wouldn't get delayed again, and it did, so,
Guys, trailer 4 is coming in May.
Guys,
at some time.
Rockstar Games never delays the game again after giving an official date, guys. Oh, look what they did, oh. Look who was right. Look who was right. You guys should listen to me. And I don't even follow it that much. And I was right. Look at that.
They want to update this website, quite frankly, so that's going to happen.
I should have got the...
That's all they put?
I played on the world's smallest violin.
Well, guys, their stock price is going to crash until Trailer 3 comes out, which is probably very soon. Well, I can't really watch the rest of the conference call. That's unfortunate, but YouTube recommends these videos on screen, so goodbye.